How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet with credit card. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to buy crypto on Trust Wallet with credit card. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to locate Trust Wallet on your mobile phone and tap to launch it. Authenticate your account and you will reach on home screen of Trust Wallet. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from the home page, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies. Either tap on crypto you want to purchase or you can tap buy option at top right if you don't see the suitable crypto that you are searching for. And here you will see all the cryptos. For now, I'm choosing Bitcoin. You can choose any cryptocurrency of your choice. Now you can tap the flag icon to change the currency and you can choose your preferred currency. Now enter the amount you want to spend. And then the app will calculate how much crypto you will receive. After that, you will see or you need to tap on payment method and you need to select the credit card option. Simply you can use the drop down arrow on pay with and select credit card. After that, you have to choose a provider, for example MoonPay, and now you need to tap buy with credit card to be redirected to the provider's web page. For now, let's choose Chrome and this will open a new site. After that, you simply need to tap on the continue button, enter all the basic details and now tap continue button. Here you have to enter the billing address and then you can add address manually as well. Further, you need to add or enter the card and billing details and tap continue button. After that, you need to review the amount and crypto details and tap pay to finalize your transaction. And that's it, you will successfully purchase crypto using your credit card on Trust Wallet. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.